Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine and taking care of yourselves. Welcome back to your English Literature online classes of class 3rd. Student, in the previous videos we have completed till chapter number 1 to 4. Now today I am going to give you the question answers of lesson number 5. Okay. So, you all please take out your copies and your writing material. First of all, you all have to note down the lesson number 5, and the name of the lesson is The Tale of Peter Rabbit. So, I'm going to start with reference to context first. Third question. Now, my dears, said Mrs. Rabbit, one morning I'm going to buy some bread. Question number A. Who was Mrs. Rabbit speaking to? B. What warning did Mrs. Rabbit give? C. Where do you think Mrs. Rabbit went to buy bread? So, with the reference of this, you have to answer these 3 questions. So, here I have noted down the answers. Let me read for you. Answer number A. Who was Mrs. Rabbit speaking to? Mrs. Rabbit was speaking to her children, Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. Right. Now, B question. What warning did Mrs. Rabbit give? Mrs. Rabbit warned them about going into Mr. McGregor's garden. Number C. Where do you think Mrs. Rabbit went to buy bread? So, Mrs. Rabbit went to the market to buy bread. Okay. Now, next question. Question number 4. Peter was most dreadfully frightened. A. Where was Peter? B. What does dreadfully frightened mean? Why was Peter dreadfully frightened? C. Where did Peter hide to escape from Mr. McGregor? So, here are the answers. A. Where was Peter? Peter was in Mr. McGregor's garden. B. What does dreadfully frightened mean? Why was Peter dreadfully frightened? So, student, dreadfully frightened means to be very afraid. Okay, and Peter was dreadfully frightened because he had forgotten the way back to the gate. C. Where did Peter hide to escape from Mr. McGregor? Peter hid in a can to escape from Mr. McGregor. Okay, now moving to the next, read, reflect and write. Question number 5. Why do you think Mrs. Rabbit warned her children not to go into Mr. McGregor's garden? So the answer is, Mrs. Rabbit warned her children not to go into Mr. McGregor's garden because he would catch them and teach them a lesson. Now next question, question number C. Was Peter a naughty rabbit? Give reason for your answer. Answer. Peter was a naughty rabbit because he did not listen to his mother. Okay, that's why he went into Mr. McGregor's garden. Now question number 7. How do you think Peter felt when he went to bed that night? What lesson did he learn? So, Peter felt ashamed when he went to his bed that night. He learned to always listen to his mother. Okay, so these are the answers of lesson number 5. You all have to note down these answers in your copy. Okay, student. Now in the next video, I'll give you the answers of lesson number 6. Till then, all of you, take care of yourself.